Okay, so we've got a line that's a tangent to the circle. So I'm going to draw a little sketch of this. So you see what it looks like. X plus y as a centre, 0, 0, and that will be root 10. And so the circle, something like that. And minus 3x, that means it's going down quite steeply. So it could be this line here's tangent there, or it could be down there. So the point is going to be there, k is going to be there, or negative k is going to be there. So I'm going to find out what this is. So I've got to solve it simultaneously. But if I solve it simultaneously, there's a tangent here. That's going to be absolutely key because it just touches just once. So we're looking at roots of equations. So first off, I'm going to do, I've got x squared plus y squared is 10. I now know that what y equals, y is that. So y squared will equal minus 3x plus k times by minus 3x plus k. And that will give me 9x squared minus 3kx minus another 3kx, that'll be minus 6kx, and then finally plus k squared. So I know what y squared is now, so I can put it into my equation. So x squared plus y squared, which is 9x squared minus 6kx plus k squared, and that equals 10. I've got a quadratic, so I always want to get it equal to 0. So I've got 10x squareds minus 6kx plus k squared, take away 10, must equal 0. And it looks like we've got two equations and two unknowns here, but we've got one extra bit of information. We know that it's a tangent, and therefore it touches once, and therefore there'll be one repeated root. So this is about b squared minus 4ac from the discriminants, and that is going to have to equal 0. So b squared is negative 6k times negative 6k is 36k squared minus 4 times a is 10 times c is this bit is a whole of k squared minus 10, and that's got to equal 0 because it's a tangent. So we've got 36k squared minus 40k squared, and minus times minus is plus. 4 times 10 is 400, equals 0. So that gives me negative 4k squared on the left hand side, so I can add that to the right hand side, and it's 400. Divide everything through by 4, and that will give me 100 equals k squared, and so k equals plus or minus 10. And I have found the possible values of k. K could be 10 or k could be minus 10, and that's done.